Here we are today in Palm Beach, Florida, looking at a very nice 50-foot Bertram, 1996. This particular boat is the upgraded 1271 engines, and everything on this boat is very nice. Owners had this boat for about 15 years. Kids have grown up and moved away, and it's just too big for mom and dad right now. So she's available for sale, reasonably priced, extremely well maintained. I don't know if you can see the shine on the hull. She's very nice, huge cockpit. They have the fighting chair. They have this screen protector for the cockpit that folds up so you can fish it. Transom door. Boat's in very nice condition. Interior is beautiful. She's far away from the dock right now as boats are going past. So we'll take a look. Isinglass is good. Hard top. Size 4 deck with sun pads up there. Come a little bit closer to me and we'll jump on board. Good here. Go up to the flybridge in a little bit. Engines are tough to get a picture, a video of. See if I can't get a little bit from the entrance here, but I have stills. Ouch. Engine room is beautiful, clean. A lot of work's been done on the engine room. Top sides were rebuilt. Go inside here, take a look. Have new carpeting. You can see this runner right here. But new carpeting, L-shaped leather sofa, oversized flat screen TV. Everything's in tip-top shape. Oh, has a drawer refrigeration. Plenty of storage. All the woodwork is good. There's a 2 stateroom, 2 head, galley down model. Plenty of natural lighting. This is the model where they enlarged the windows on the 50 Bertram. I think when they first started out had smaller windows, port and starboard. This has a sink up here. You see all the wood's good, the headliner's good. Has rod storage up in the headliner. All LED lighting, and hi-hats. Air conditioning is ice cold. Go down 3 steps to the galley. Your freezers here, Perlix. Single sink. This is a fishing machine. This is ready. Someone's going to get a great boat. Midship master, queen berth, plenty of headspace. Got a shower stall in the head, master head. Flat screen Samsung TV. New speakers. Washer and dryer. As we're going forward, you have the guest head or day head, also with the shower stall with a seat inside, single sink, wood flooring throughout the whole boat, not on the salon, but in the lower level. Got the new carpeting in the bathroom, bedrooms as well. Bunks forward, flat screen TV, stereo system. You have a docking station for your iPod, iPad. Boat's in nice shape. Very, very nice shape. Not fished hard at all. A family boat, like I said. Kids are grown and away. And mom and dad are just ready. Someone's going to get a killer boat with this one. Anyway, this is, oh, let's go up top. Haven't gone up top yet. Electronics are beautiful. The captain's seat is worth the boat. Wait till you see this up there. His lighting in the stairs. You can't see it now, but just nice little features. Look at these seats. Just tell me these aren't comfortable. You have Furuno Navnet, GPS maps 5215. Isinglass is newer, a little cloudy, but I mean, perfect condition. You have the seating forward of the helm. I moved the helm cover. It's very nice. Someone is going to be very lucky to get this boat. Autopilot, radar. Anyway, for more information, contact One World Yachts, and I'm out.